Hey there, welcome to Shavings and Cravings, this time with another quick tip. If you notice, I'm in the bathroom today, not for a reason that you think I might be. I've got a leak going on in my toilet fill valve, and so I figure I will show you how to take care of that really quick. I don't know if you can hear this, but there is a leak coming from the top of the fill valve, and it's causing the toilet to... And that's causing the toilet to run non-stop at a very low rate, and we're going to try to take care of that. At first I thought I was going to have to replace this whole fill valve, but it turns out there's an easier solution. You should just be able to buy one of these if you have a Fluid Master. I've got the 400 model. Should be able to just replace this, so let's get at it. First thing I'm going to do is turn the water off to the actual toilet. Then I'm going to flush the toilet to get rid of the water that's in there. Now you just twist this. I think you better hold off on the bottom here. You guys are in the way a little bit. It just pops off. And the valve, let's see if I can get that part off there. If you can see that, this little rubber valve right here is what we're replacing. And we're just going to focus. There you go. Just pull that off of there. And place the new one on. There's a little nipple on the back of that that's going to go over that little pin. Push it into place. Take this and push it back on and twist it and reattach it to the float. And then hold on to that while you turn the water back on. Let it fill and we'll see if it stopped leaking. I need to adjust this back up. And that seems to have done it. As you can hear, there's no more leaking. And our problem seems to be solved. Thanks for watching this quick tip. I am not a plumber, nor do I ever plan to be one or claim to be one, so do this at your own risk. If you want to keep seeing other videos such as this and my normal woodworking and cooking videos, please subscribe and like. Thanks very much. Later.